All right, everyone. Well, I am impatient. If I can bust open. There we go. Oh. All right. What are these? 45 autos. Yeah, 556. Some loose rounds. I don't know why you need that big of a magazine. But yeah, these are all 9mm. Sorry about that one. The manager wanted to see what was in there because I'm breaking it right in the front parking lot. Anyway, guys, definitely, like, now I'll tell you, the unit I paid about 300 bucks for, just because that little safe right there had nothing in it. But this thing definitely had something in it. Thank you guys. Backing out.